Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI series. In the previous video, we started learning about Power BI. In this video, let's quickly explore the 5 key components of Power BI. They are Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Mobile, Power BI Report Builder, and Power BI Server. Power BI Desktop is a powerful Windows application where you can connect to various data sources, analyze data, and build interactive dashboards. Power BI Service is an online platform where you can share your reports, collaborate in real life, and access dashboards anytime and anywhere. Power BI Mobile is designed for users on the go. Power BI Mobile lets you view and interact with your reports from your smartphone or tablet. Power BI Report Builder is a tool that helps us create paginated reports. It is ideal for printing or sharing detailed data and snapshots with stakeholders. Power BI Report Server is used when your organization prefers on-premises data hosting for security and privacy. Report Server lets you manage and view reports internally. In the next video, we will walk through installing Power BI Desktop and understanding its user interface. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.